I think one of the big questions that we get is, should I make money on maintenance? Should it be a profit center for my company, and so on? And candidly, I think it's potentially the wrong question. I think one of the things is we know that every investor is looking for the maximized return. We also know that maintenance is one of the biggest, is the largest controllable operational expense on return of investment. So it's not whether I'm going to make money or not. Is it a meaningful investment in my operations that my sole job is to drive that down with high level of efficacy? And so if we think about anything else, if we put the least amount of resources, try and drive down the least amount of cost, and put just absolute bare bones on it, the outcome is predictable. And the outcome is a churned investor. It's a lower NOI. So it's really, yes, highly, anytime you can do something exceptional in business, you should make money on it. But really, it needs to be meaningful investment. And if you're going to do meaningful investment, you have to be able to attribute some revenue towards it to continue to make that investment into maintenance that is ultimately to the benefit of the investor, which is ultimately to the benefit of the property.